Hello everybody, welcome to the market views update for 24th July 2018 from Free. Let's have a look at the important points from yesterday's trading session. Markets ended on a bullish note. Foreign institutional investors bought shares worth about 259 crores. Domestic investors bought shares worth about 124 crores. Nifty hit a fresh 6-month high. We have some quarterly results update from a few of the companies. Citibank booked a net profit of 3,403 crores. Hindustan Zinc quarter one results, there was a 1.5% rise in net profit at rupees 1,918 crores. Vijaya Bank reports a 41% dip in profits, but the stock is up by 4%. Punjab National Bank gets 2,816 crores as part of the government's capital infusion plan. Let's have a look at Nifty from yesterday. Nifty opened at 11,019 and closed at 11,084. Nifty made an intraday high of 11,093 and a low of 11,010. The markets swung by about 83 points. The markets closed by about 74 points up from the previous day close of 11,010. Support levels at this point of time for Nifty is 11,035 and 10,983. Resistance levels at this point of time for Nifty is around 11,112 and 11,142. Bank Nifty support levels are at 26,776 and 26,541. Bank Nifty resistance levels at this point of time is around 27,137 and 27,271. Long build-up happens when people open long positions, because of which price and the open interest both of them increase. We have a few stocks that have open interest change of more than 2%. We have Maruti Suzuki, Axis Bank, State Bank of India, and Mahindra & Mahindra, Hindalco, all of them having change in open interest more than 2%. Maruti Suzuki has a percentage change of 3.21% in its price, which is 302.05. State Bank of India is appearing on this list, currently trading at around 266 with a difference of about 4.8 rupees from the previous day's trading sessions. So if you're trading in these stocks, please take note that the people are opening long positions in these stocks. Long unwinding happens when people exit their long positions. We have only a few stocks in this list. Tech Mahindra, Titan, and Eicher Motors come in this list. The price differences are marginal, so there's not much significant information in this list for today. Short build-up happens when people open short positions, because of which the price decreases but the open interest increases. We have Hero MotoCorp, which has a change of 12.19% in its open interest. The price difference also is 6.26% for Hero MotoCorp. We have Bajaj Auto, which has a change in open interest of 8.54% and change in price of about 5.47%, which is 155.45 rupees. We have HDFC Bank, Grasim, Lupin, and Reliance Industries also appearing on this list, which has notable change in open interest. So if you are trading in these stocks, please take note that people are building short positions in these stocks. Short covering happens when people close their short positions, and because of which there is a marginal increase in price, but the open interest decreases. We have a good number of stocks in this list for today. We have about 5 stocks which has a change in open interest of more than 2%. TCS tops the list, and it is currently being at 2005, and it has a change in the price of about 0.45%, which is marginal. Tata Motors and Hindustan Unilever have changed in price of about 2.11% and 2.04%. ICICI Bank also appears in this list with change of about 3.67%. So if you're trading in these stocks, please take note that people are exiting their short positions. Let's have a look at the world markets. The American markets were largely range-bound. Dow Jones was down by about 0.06% and S&P 500 up by about 0.18%. Canada and Mexico were down by about 0.11 and 0.12%. Brazil was down by 0.73%. Chile up by 0.68%. World markets for Europe, all the markets in Europe ended on a negative note, as you can see in this list. The Asian markets were largely on a positive note as of yesterday. Japanese markets up by 0.44, Hong Kong up by 1.14, China up by 1.38, Mumbai Sensex and NSE Nifty up by 0.61 and 0.68%. At the time of preparing this report, the Nifty was trading about 52 points higher. So markets have actually increased a bit for today. The last day to file your income tax returns is 31st July 2018. If you are a trader and you have made losses, it is very important that you file your income tax returns before the deadline, because if you file before the deadline, you will be able to offset your losses which you have made in this financial year with the next financial years for up to 8 years. And for all those profits that you make, which is offset with the losses, you do not have to pay taxes. So please file your income tax returns before the deadline. If you need any help with filing your income tax returns, please contact us. The contact number is 8095-308-555. Thank you for watching this edition of Market News Update from Brokerage Fee. Invest wisely for a better future. Good luck with your trades. Thank you.